With Trip Designer here. We're excited to showcase a brand new website called Jan's Boy Structures and Developments. So this company came out to us. They are a custom home builder out here in Texas, and they came out to us and said, "Hey, we need a beautiful website, luxurious that showcases the quality of work that we deliver to our clients and what they should expect. So they need it to be easy to navigate. Number one, they want their story to be clear, their service to be clear, and an easy way for people to connect with them at any stage of their custom home building journey. So whether they're just inquiring, or they just need a consultant, or whether they need some project management, or they need a full deal where they say, hey, we are ready to build and we want you to do the whole thing for us. So they wanted to make sure that that message was clear. So when it comes to delivering a website, we want to make sure that the story that the website is telling is dynamic, but it's clear for the users because people don't have the same attention span like they used to. So let's scroll through and let's see what this website looks like. All right, so here we start with their mission and vision. This is important because if you're a buyer or someone who's interested in this work, you want to make sure you know who you're working with, right? You're not just looking for a company who's good at the work, but you're looking for a company who you can trust. So having their mission and vision out quickly is important, and of course, they can always read more. And we use a different type of cursor, so you notice that the mouse style is a dot. We use that to kind of keep people engaged as well. So just a different way to kind of keep that attention going. And then here we slide through, and then that's where we start seeing some of the services they offer. So consulting, project management, full construction, and if you're ready to build, you can contact them right here, and they just have that call to action. And we should know that call to action is very important. I don't know why this is funky, but we'll figure that out. So then the next thing is here we create movement on the website. Your vision, our mission. That's just to continue to keep people going and attract this. Okay, this is nice. I like what I'm seeing here. Then the next one is just another statement from the company explaining that we are your trusted partner. Understanding that when it comes to building this house, there's an understanding that we're going to do this thing together, right? It's not just you telling us what to do when we do it, but it's them listening and understanding, and sometimes getting a little bit deeper and understanding the purpose of the design or the purpose of the structure that you're trying to build. So that's why it's a partnership, right? And not just a working relationship in a way. So they really work with you to do this. So, and then they have their 5 beams of commitment, and beams like structure. So when it comes to design as well, the words you use can really convey a stronger message. So we use beams because think about the beams that you use to build a house or any kind of structure. So there are 5 beams of commitment: are communication, craftsmanship, reliability, transparency, and vision. The nice thing is all of these link to an actual another page, so you can actually read more about these beams of commitment. We keep on scrolling through, and then whether you're ready to build your home or not. And so this is just another way, just kind of entice people, kind of break up the information, and also create that call to action space that's needed. So here we mocked up a construction hat for them and put their logo right on the hat, so it gives it a nice custom touch to the website. And we could keep going, and then here's a contact us. So when everything's all said and done, we want people to fill out this form and contact whether they're ready to use the service or not. Filling out this form is very important to move things forward. Now, keep going down, and here we have some examples of the work that they do, and it kind of keeps creating that position of convincing that the company wants to share with the potential client that, if you have a vision, we can execute it. And that's what they're trying to show with these different types of images here. All right, now let's go to our story page. This page went through multiple renditions, and it came out like this. So about, and I love how we keep the about steady, fixed, while the information continues to flow down so you can read it. And then of course, here are the beams of commitment. And we talked about this before, how there is another space for beams of commitment, and it's right here. So it's very nice. And then we did another mock-up of the hard hat with their logo on the front this time. And of course, it says let's work together. That's another call to action. And when you click, it actually takes you to the contact us page. All right, and then now we go to the our services page, and this one is very text heavy. And so here you have our services. we wanted to create a space, an introduction that was timeless, minimalist as well. And as you can see here, this is actually, we were inspired by a luxury clock, right? So that's the inspiration behind how we designed this space when it comes to our services and the text behind it. And the cool thing is, if when you look at it, it's like the text behind it, the circular text looks like numbers that can be on a clock. But if you look closely, it's actually, let me see if can I zoom in on this? It's actually the name of the different services that they offer, the 3 services that they offer. So let me go back out. And so here we have consulting, and they talk about their consulting services and what you can expect in that. So they're from contractors, due diligence, and site visits. So and all levels out. And we put, every time you hover over a section, we put a little bit of color behind it. That's just a way to help people focus more on what they're reading. Kind of keeps that engagement going as well. And then project management. And then here's some of the things that you can expect under project management, right? And then the next one is full construction. And here's some of the things that you can expect under full construction. And at that point, you know, when you're ready to build, you go, and we created a transition effect here where we're transitioning like the building experience and kind of get people excited about, man, there's so many options, so many opportunities. And sometimes you need help navigating that space. So having a company such as Jansboy allows you to do that. So this is a really great website. We really enjoyed it. Let me see, if you click connect with us, I just want to make it clear that it does go back to the homepage where you see that contact us button go. So it keeps it simple. But this was a really fun website to build. We had to do it quickly, like really quickly. They said that they needed about a 3-day turnaround for it because they were super excited. And those are some of the projects that we do get excited about. They were a great customer or a great client, I should say. They were very communicative. They gave us everything that we needed. And we were able to get this thing done in a reasonable amount of time. So if you are in the Texas area and you are trying to build a home, a custom home, which I think one day me and my family might be interested in doing, I definitely would recommend Jansboy. Just the experience of working with them and how meticulous they were with making sure everything was right, I think bodes well in terms of how they're going to work for their clients when it comes to building them their dream homes. So check it out. This is a brand new website we just dropped. So check them out at jansboy.com, right? That's jansboy.com. I think y'all can see it up here. I think it's a really exciting website, really great stuff. And if you are looking for a website for your business, whether you're a custom home or you're selling stuff on e-commerce or your storefront or you're just a service-based business, whatever it may be, contact us. We love doing this work. And as of course you can see, we do not go low on the quality. It's a quality for us as well. So check us out at chipdesigner.com or contact us at info@chipdesigner.com. We appreciate you all. Have a blessed day.